So hello everyone, this is Mohit Prithyani and welcome to my channel Mr. Lazy Tech. And this video is all about the comparison between the recently launched Boat Rockers 255 Pro with the Realme Buds Wireless. So in this video, first of all, I'll let you know what all we get inside the box of both the earphones, give you the basic overview, then we'll compare the Boat Rockers 255 Pro with the Realme Buds Wireless, and then we'll see which one is better and which one you should buy. So hope you like this one, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so I can make more good stuff for you all. So let's get started. So this is the box of the Boat Rockers 255 Pro you will be getting once the product is reached to you. Inside the box you will be getting the earphones itself, and apart from this one, some extra stuff like Boat warranty card, 1 year of warranty you will be getting with some user manual and Boat branding stuff. You can just go through it once and read all the features of this earphones. And a USB type 2 of charging port they have given, not the type C, they have given type 2 charging cable with this one. And some extra ear cups for your ear comfort, you can use accordingly. Coming to the main product, the earphones itself, here they have given a good quality of product over here and with a premium look and finish, you can say, with all the buttons on the earphones itself. That is a plus point. And you'll be getting magnetic locks as well, so it will not fall from your neck. That is a good thing. For a secure fit they have given this thing, and all the buttons like play, pause, answer call, reject call, next track, previous track, you can access directly through the earphones itself. And now coming to the Realme Buds Wireless, this is the box you will be getting once the product is reached to you, and inside the box you will be getting the earphones itself, and apart from that you will be getting additional things like user manual. You can just go through it once and see all the features of this earphone, and a type 2 cable with this one as well, not the type C one, type 2 of cable with this earphones, and some extra ear cups for your ear comfort. You can use it accordingly. Coming to the main product, the earphone itself, they also have given a good quality and premium product over here considering the price range, with all the buttons on the earphones itself like play, pause, answer call, reject call, so you can access all the features directly through the earphones. That is a good thing. Along with it, they also have given the magnetic lock with this one as well for secure fit on the neck. And now if we'll compare both the earphones, so here you can see comparing the Boat Rockers 255 Pro with the Realme Buds Wireless, you will be getting Bluetooth version 5.0 with both the earphones, and IPX5 water and sweat resistant feature मिल जाएगा आपको Boat Rockers में, and IPX4 sweat resistant feature मिलेगा in the Realme Buds Wireless. And आपको 1 hour लगेगा full charge करने में Boat Rockers को, and you will be getting 6 hours of play time on a single charge, and 1.5 hours लगेगा approximately Realme Buds Wireless को charge करने में, and you will be getting approximately 10 to 12 hours of battery life on a single charge. That is a plus point. And both the earphones supports fast charging as well, and you'll be getting 10 mm of dynamic drivers with the Boat Rockers one and 11.2 mm of bass boost drivers with the Realme Buds, and दोनों में ही आपको मैग्नेटिक लॉक्स मिल जाएंगे फॉर सिक्योर फिट. दैट इज अ प्लस पॉइंट. एंड प्राइसिंग की बात करें, 1600 का प्राइस अप्रोक्सीमेटली बोट रॉकर्स 255 प्रो का, एंड 1800 का प्राइस अप्रोक्सीमेटली Realme Buds Wireless का. So these were the basic differences between both the earphones, and now if we'll talk about the sound quality and bass quality, so Boat Rockers 255 Pro की बात करेंगे, they have given a very loud sound, crystal clear sound they have given at this price range, and अगर आप इसको full volume पे भी सुनेंगे तो कोई इशू नहीं आने वाला. That is a good thing. And sound बहुत ही crystal clear and loud they have given with a powerful and punchy bass as well. Bass भी इसका बहुत ही powerful है, and same as the Realme Buds Wireless as well. Realme Buds में भी आपको अच्छा sound मिल जाएगा फुल वॉल्यूम पे भी, इसको भी आप सुनेंगे कोई इशू नहीं आने वाला, विद अ परफेक्ट एंड पंची बेस दे हैव गिवन विद दिस वन एज वेल. एंड अगर हम कॉल क्वालिटी की बात करेंगे, सो आपको एवरेज कॉल क्वालिटी मिलेगी Realme Buds Wireless में, एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग अ गुड कॉल क्वालिटी विद द Boat Rockers 255 Pro एट दिस प्राइस रेंज. And अगर मुझसे पूछा जाएगा which one to opt for, so I would go with the recently launched Boat Rockers 255 Pro just because of the pricing. At this price range, they have given a perfect sound quality with a good bass quality and good call quality, you can say. Powerful and thumpy bass they have given with a good design and fast charging option as well. So I would prefer this one. But अगर आप 200 rupees extra देना चाहते हैं, you can go with the Realme Buds Wireless as well. उसमें भी आपको sound quality, bass quality perfect मिल जाएगी with average call quality with a good battery life. अगर आपको battery life ज़्यादा चाहिए, you can definitely grab the Realme Buds Wireless at this price range. And it's totally your decision which one to opt for. I'm also leaving the link of both the earphones in the description part below. You can click from there and buy it from there as well. And if you have any question, you can leave me in the comment section. I'll help you out with that. So hope you like this one. And as I told you, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so I can make more good stuff for you all. So thank you for watching this one, and see you in the next video. Thank you.